Yellow duckling, soft and small, waddles near the garden wall, quacking loud and splash and play. In the pond he loves to stay. Yellow, yellow, bright and true, buzzing, walking, flying too. Yellow, yellow, shining hue, in the wild for me and you. Swallowtail with wings so wide, gliding on the breeze with pride. In the flowers bright and sweet, landing gently with her feet. Canary sings a sunny song, singing cheerfully all day long. Yellow feathers, tiny beak, notes so bright and never weak. Yellow, yellow, bright and true, buzzing, walking, flying too. Yellow, yellow, shining hue, in the wild for me and you. Yellow boxfish swims around like a box that's ocean bound, wiggling tail and tiny eyes, floating where the coral lies.
Python rests on jungle trees, coiled up softly in the breeze. Golden yellow, calm and long, in the shade he waits so strong.
Yellow, yellow,